Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G11 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced and right under it we've got the screen timeout option, so let's tap. And here we've got some timeout options obviously from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds and I would say that it is quite short time or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently we've got 30 seconds option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes and as you can see now we do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here that from now on after 5 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your NOKIA G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.